Ephlux Swift platform provides end-to-end integration, right from onboarding to data governance to real-time integration with SAP, performing three-way invoice matching, which is the crucial part to avoid fraudulent or bogus payments. Of course, nobody would like to have any supplier who doesn't have delivered anything and then a payment ends up in their account. So we need to be very cautious and vigilant by performing an AI-driven automated three-way invoice matching. And three-way invoice matching in SAP, of course, it is there in built-in solution in SAP S/4HANA, but most users still perform it manually in the MM and in the FI module. And if the seasoned business developer, business user, or a business analyst or a citizen developer does not want to go into MM and FI transaction codes, they can have a single app on their handheld, on their mobile device to verify that the vendor has actually delivered the goods on their door. They have been received by the receiving clerk and they have been pushed to the MRP so that the production can continue. And of course, the payments and all the invoice matching and verification checks are performed by Swift. So this is what is crucial to prevent fraudulent activity in an organization. And when a successful relationship is established and MRP is successfully executed, what do we have? We have on-time delivery of the product to the customer, and at the end of the day, there is a bottom line profit for the company. And definitely with the evaluation of supplier, we have got you covered. Our solution provides end-to-end visibility from the day when the supplier came into your company all the way up to the finished good when the raw material converted into finished goods. And the whole process is backed by very strong and efficient audit trail, which is SOC 2 compliant and secure by ISO 9001, ISO 27001, and all other security compliance needs. So at the end of the year, when auditors come and need those audit records, you have them covered.